Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Cable Chase is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to organize and manage their cables effectively, whether it's for home entertainment systems, office setups, or even gaming rigs. This innovative solution aims to declutter your space, prevent tripping hazards, and protect your valuable cords from damage, ultimately enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your environment. It's designed to seamlessly blend into your decor while providing a robust and reliable way to keep all your wires neatly tucked away and easily accessible when needed. Number 5. Yecaye 113 inches 1-cord cable concealer. Tired of messy cables? This solution is designed to hide a single low-voltage wire or cable, like a power cord or speaker wire. It helps maintain a clean, minimalistic look in your home. Each kit provides 8 cable channels, perfect for any home or office project. It includes everything you need for maximum cable concealment, ensuring a tidy space. Installation is a breeze with the included strong adhesive tape. It ensures a secure attachment to your walls or desk, making it a dependable choice for wire management. Beyond just organizing cables, this product enhances the aesthetic of your walls and workspace. It acts as a stylish solution for concealing cords, especially for wall-mounted TVs. Keep your family safe from tripping hazards. This easy-to-use cable cover helps organize unruly wires, significantly reducing risks for children and pets. What we like. If you have just 1 or 2 small cables to tidy up, this is a great option. It's designed for a minimalistic look and easy installation with strong adhesive. If you're looking for a simple solution for a single lamp cord or speaker wire, this will do the job perfectly. What people say. This cord hider works great and was very easy to install. It sticks well to the wall, holds the cable neatly in place, and gives everything a much cleaner look. This cord hider is a great solution for hiding cables along walls. 113 inches gives you plenty of length and it paints over easily if you want it to blend in perfectly. Snaps open and close easily to add or remove cables. The adhesive backing holds well on drywall. Makes any setup look way cleaner and more professional. Number 4. A Plus Electric 315 Cable Hider Kit. Tired of messy cords? Introducing a simple solution to organize your cables. It's designed to keep your space tidy and safe. With 315 inches of coverage, you can hide cords behind TVs, desks, or along walls. The paintable surface blends perfectly with your decor. Easily adapt this system to any setup with its flexible design and included connectors. It's perfect for home theaters, offices, or any room. Installation is a breeze with the strong self-adhesive backing or included screws and anchors. Made from high-quality PVC, it's built to last. Eliminate tripping hazards and protect against electrical dangers. It provides a secure and clean environment for your family. Each channel can hold 3 to 4 standard power or Ethernet cables, keeping them neatly concealed and protected. What we like. If you need a comprehensive solution with plenty of length and flexibility, this kit is for you. It comes with numerous connectors to adapt to various layouts and a paintable surface for a seamless look. If you're tackling a large project like a home theater setup or multiple workstations, this offers great value and customization. What people say. The material feels solid and well-made, not flimsy like some other raceways I've tried. Installation was straightforward, and it easily fit larger bundles of cables without forcing anything. The white finish looks clean right out of the box, and the fact that it's paintable is a huge plus. It blended perfectly with my wall once painted. The conduit Raceway keeps the cables neat and hidden. I have 4 cameras and didn't like having the Cat 5e cables hanging down the wall. Number 3. ZhiYo Large Cord Cover Wall 32 inches. Experience superior safety with our new PVC material, offering a pure color and odorless design. It boasts the highest fire-resistant UL 94V0 rating, ensuring lasting durability without yellowing over time. This large raceway is designed to hide 3 to 6 cables, including HDMI, power, and Ethernet cords. It's the perfect solution for managing all your wires neatly. Each piece is 15.8 inches long, totaling 31.5 inches, and they connect seamlessly for a continuous look. You can also easily cut them to your desired length. With an upgraded snap-on cover, adding or removing cables is a breeze. Its stylish arched border blends seamlessly with any home decor. Easily install it on your wall with the strong double-sided adhesive tape. For best results, allow 24 hours before loading cables. You can paint it to perfectly match your wall color, making it virtually unnoticeable. Keep your children and pets safe by concealing messy cables. The adhesive works best on smooth surfaces. For textured walls, consider using nails or screws. Removal may cause minor paint marks, easily repaired. What we like. If you have a bundle of cables to hide, especially for a wall-mounted TV, this is an excellent choice. Its large capacity and stylish, integrated design make it blend in beautifully. If you prioritize both functionality and aesthetics, and want an easy way to add or remove cables, this will give you a clean and organized look. What people say. These wire covers are solid and well made. They don't feel cheap or flimsy at all, and once installed they stay in place. They do a great job hiding cords and instantly make the area look cleaner and more organized. The snap-close design means you can cut the piece to the exact length you need and not have to worry about getting the cover on when the base is in place and either end is obstructed by other objects. It comes in different colors, so you can match your wall. It fits plenty of cords. The adhesive is very strong. I love the way it looks on my wall, it makes my TV look great. Number 2. StarTech.com 3x3 inches open slot wiring cable Raceway duct. Tailor your cable organization with this versatile 3x3 inch Raceway. Its open slot design allows for easy customization to meet all your specific cable management needs. Crafted from durable PVC plastic, this wire duct is warp-proof and self-extinguishing. It's the ideal, long-lasting solution for your network rack and server room applications. Mount this Raceway easily to walls, floors, ceilings, desks, or inside closets. You can even extend its protective channel by simply adding more units. Featuring parallel openings and a snap lid, this organizer provides easy access to your cables. Achieve a clean and tidy appearance by hiding away unsightly wires. Designed specifically for IT professionals, this TAA-compliant manager comes with a 2-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. It's the reliable choice for your infrastructure. What we like. If you're an IT professional or managing cables in a server rack or network closet, this is the ideal solution. Its open slot design allows for easy customization and access to cables. If you need a durable, warp-proof duct for a more industrial or technical setup, this product is built for that purpose. What people say. It was easy to cut to length with my miter saw, easy to install, and it's easy to add, remove, and position items. It's even large enough to fit the power bricks for my laptop and monitor with room to spare for all of the additional power and data cables I wanted to conceal. It performs the job it's supposed to do, which is to neatly bundle wires and cables. Number 1. ECHOGEAR In-Wall TV Cord Hider Kit. Are you looking for a way to hide those unsightly TV cables? We have the perfect solution to keep your entertainment area looking clean and organized. This kit allows you to conceal all your TV power and low-voltage cables directly behind the wall. It provides a sleek, professional look for your mounted television. It features a dual outlet to power 2 devices, perfect for your TV and streaming gadgets. Plus, it can manage up to 3 additional low-voltage cables. Installation is straightforward and requires no complex wiring. Everything you need, including a template and saw, is included for a perfect fit. Don't worry about awkward plugs. The spacious top outlet is designed to fit even oddly shaped power adapters with ease. Use the brush plate pass-through to neatly hide your HDMI, Ethernet, and audio cables. Its unique design prevents cables from slipping back into the wall. This comprehensive kit even includes a 6-foot extension cord with a low-profile plug. Plus, we're helping the planet by planting a tree for every purchase. What we like. If you want the cleanest possible look for your wall-mounted TV, this in-wall solution is unmatched. It hides all your cables behind the wall and even provides dual power outlets. If you're looking for a premium, integrated setup and want to eliminate all visible cords, this kit has everything you need for a professional finish. What people say. Including a saw in the kit was a game changer. It made clean, precise cuts during installation effortless, which saved me a lot of time and hassle. The inclusion of USB ports makes it a whole lot easier to connect some of your electronic devices. The AC outlets and USB ports are a fantastic bonus, making it super convenient to plug in your devices and keep a clean look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.